Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU memory or RAM usage due to system and compressed process, then please watch this video. Now, people say terminate it from the task manager. I advise against that. I'll tell you later why. But first of all, let us try the solutions. First of all, try an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to set system for best performance. So search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. So you can click on this to adjust your system for best performance, but the appearance will be compromised a lot. I mean, you'll visibly feel a difference. The next solution is to scan your system for malware because malware can definitely cause this problem. Now search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows security. And then you can go to the virus and threat protection tab. Select scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. The next solution is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these points here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.